Bougie bitch, she suckin' dick, she in the party getting flipped. Later I'll post up me up, then after that go flip a zip. Bitch done check my phone, and now I gotta flip the script. Call me loafing on that block, and now I gotta flip the switch. Bitch be claiming she my body, now I'm madder than a bitch. Reminisce about them hits when we had came up on a blitz. We gon' swing that fucking stick, so bitch don't think that I'm lit. Lil' boy, you ran down and you played, and now your body in the ditch. Lick a nigga in his face, and I could tell that he a bitch. I was loafing in my hood, then I heard that fucking switch. When he showed me his new drink, I said I'm tryna spit some shit. Niggas tell about these hoes, yeah, you can have that stupid bitch. Got a bitch, she first star, and she know how to suck some dick. Call her loafing, and I call her mad as fuck that I ain't blick. Send the Q2 on that mission, he gon' come back with a stick. We was swerving in that Lolo crack, scared to chase dick. He got the wheel, he driving fast, he swerving in his bitch. Auntie mad, she smell the gas, yeah, we been serving in her shit. He got the trap booming and FO taking niggas blitz. Ran a nigga down, he running fast, he on that rich shit. Tryna beef about the bitch, and now your cousin in the ditch. Throwing bees, I see a C, and I might crash out in his bitch. When I hit up for the raps, don't come around on two-face shit. Shit ain't got no love inside the street, they pussy then a bitch. Niggas back though, you would take your shit and play you like a bitch. Told her to stay outside, we finna surf right through his shit. Every time we take a blip, my brother let me up switch. I'ma slow my fucking on, cause I can't go out like a bitch. Yeah, I can't go out like a bitch.